DOS Trader Tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. In this DOS tutorial, you will learn how to add your bid and ask to your charts so you can see them in another place other than just the montage. Open up your DOS Trader Pro. Now, right now, it is the weekend, so there is no data other than the futures market. So I have the futures market open. You can see usually we'd have all the bids here and all the asks here. It doesn't show that on the future, but you can see this is the current bid, this is the ask. So this is the same thing right here. It just looks slightly different because this is blank. It usually wouldn't. So we have the last sale price right here of 3439.25, 3439.50. You see it's moving up and down, and you see the last price here. Here is the bid, and here is the ask. But we can only see the bid and ask on the montage. But here is how you can see it on the charts. Right-click on the charts, hover over chart area, select config area. Now in this box, make sure that show bid price is selected and show ask price is selected. Now click commit. So now you can see we've got two different numbers here, and there will be a third for the last sale price on most stocks other than the futures. The lowest price will always be the bid, the highest price will always be the ask, and then the last sale price will be somewhere in between those or exactly one of those. So you can see right here, 0.5, 0.75, 0.5, 0.75, and it's moving. This will move in tandem with that. So if you've ever wanted to know how to get your bid and ask on the charts, there you go. If you have any questions about this, please remember to comment below or ask us in our chat room or the forum page. Thank you.